Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's tutorial I will show you how to make crochet belts with the lemon peel stitch design. So materials needed to make this crochet belt: you need your yarn, belt buckle, a crochet hook size 5mm hook. You need a pair of scissors and your measuring tape. So you're going to start by making a slip knot. To make a slip knot, turn your yarn around your hand, make it firm, and then turn the other part. Insert your hook into the loop and then yarn over and pull. That's how you make a slip knot. So after you've made a slip knot, you're going to start by making your foundation chain. And to make your foundation chain, it depends on the belt hook you're using. So you have to measure that before you continue or before you start. So measure that and chain 11. So I'm going to be chaining 11 because that's the size of my belt hook. So start by making yarn over, pull. That's the foundation chain. Yarn over and pull, yarn over and pull. So we're making 11 foundation chain. So continue until you have 11 chains. Okay, so after you've made your 11 chains, we're going to make single crochet. Okay, so to make a single crochet, the first chain doesn't count, which means we'll be making 10 single crochet. So to do that, you're going to insert your hook into the next chain, which is the second chain. Then you're going to yarn over and pull, yarn over and pull. That's how you make your single crochet. So we're going to make 10 single crochet. Continue with that. Let me show you another before we continue. So you're going to insert your hook into the loop, yarn over and pull, like that. Yarn over and pull. That's how we make our single crochet. So continue doing that, and once you get to the end, I'll meet you back. So I'm done with this. I made 10 single crochet, and all we have to do for this project is just single crochet and double crochet because we're doing the lemon peel stitch design. So chain 1, turn your work, insert your hook into the loop, yarn over and pull, yarn over and pull. That's your single crochet. So next we're making a double crochet, and to make a double crochet, yarn over and insert your hook into the loop, yarn over and pull. Now we have 3 on our hook. Yarn over and pull. We have 2 left. Yarn over and pull. That's how we make our double crochet. Next we're making a single crochet. So make a single crochet, and next we're making a double crochet. Next we're making a single crochet. So just continue making single crochet and double crochet, single crochet and double crochet. Then I'll meet you back at the end of my row 2. So I'm ending my work with a double crochet based on the chain I made. So place a double crochet into the last stitch. So we're moving to row 3 now, and for row 3, if you end your work with a single crochet, you're going to chain 2 and make a double crochet. But if you end your work with a double crochet like mine, you're going to chain 1 and you're going to place a single crochet in the next stitch. So chain 1, and I said because I made a double crochet for my row 2, I'm going to be making a single crochet. So turn your work once you've chained 1 and place a single crochet into the next stitch. So go ahead and place a single crochet into the next stitch. Insert your hook, yarn over and pull. Yarn over and pull, and then next you're going to make a double crochet. So to know that you're on track, underneath it is a single crochet, so you're going to place a double crochet inside that single crochet stitch. So after you've made your double crochet, next you're making a single crochet, and underneath that we have a double crochet. So make a single crochet, and next you're making a double crochet. You can see there's a single crochet there, so make a double crochet in that stitch. And next we're making a single crochet inside the double crochet stitch, and next we're making a double crochet, and next we're making a single crochet, double crochet, single crochet, and double crochet. So as you can see, I'm ending my work with a double crochet again. So I'm going to continue ending my work with a double crochet based on the chain I made, like I said. So next I'm going to chain 1 and make a single crochet because I ended my work with a double crochet. So if you end your work with a single crochet, you make a double crochet and you're going to chain 2 instead. You chain 2, you turn your work and place a double crochet. But because I ended my work with a double crochet, I am going to be making a single crochet. So for your row 4, place a single crochet into the next stitch once you've chained 1. And next you're going to place a double crochet inside that single crochet stitch. And next you're going to place a single crochet inside that double crochet stitch. Double crochet in your single crochet stitch. Next single crochet in your double crochet stitch. Double crochet, and single crochet. Make a double crochet in the single crochet stitch, and single crochet in the double crochet stitch, ending my work with the double crochet again. So I'm just going to continue ending my work with a double crochet. So you chain 1, turn your work, and place a single crochet in the next stitch. Place a double crochet in that single crochet stitch. Place a single crochet in the double crochet stitch. Place a double crochet in the single crochet stitch. And so you're supposed to take the measurement of your foundation chain. I forgot to do that. So measure your work, and this is about 4.5, and make sure you know the measurement of your belt buckle, so that will determine, because when you're fixing it, it has to be the same size. So take the measurements and then you continue. So this is 4.5 centimeter. So just continue adding rows until you get to your desired length. You continue with the single crochet and double crochet for the lemon peel stitch design. So you just continue making single crochet and double crochet until you get to your desired length. I'll continue with mine now, and then once I get to the end of this, then I'll meet you back. So I doubled my yarn because I couldn't get a bigger size of my yarn, and I want my belt to be very thick. You know, we're making a belt and we don't want it to be soft. So if you can get a bigger size of your yarn, then that'll be fine. But I couldn't get one, so I had to double mine. And if your size of your yarn is just like mine, then you can double it as well. Or if you have a bigger size, then you can just use one. That'll be fine. Just keep adding rows until it's very long, until you get to your desired length. Okay, so I'm going to continue with this, and once I'm done, I'm going to meet you back. So I am done with my rows. Okay, so I'm just going to measure this for you guys to see. Let me adjust my camera before I continue. Okay, so I'm just going to show you the measurements of my belts. I don't think my camera can go. So I'm just going to show you the measurements. Okay, so this from here. Okay, I don't know how I can do this. Beginning, so this is very long. Wonderful. My god. Anyway, I'm just going to see, because I don't think my measurements, my camera can get to the end of this. So I made 109 centimeter. 109, 108, 109 centimeter. So it's 109 centimeter long. So once you're done with that, you're just going to cut off your yarn, and to do that you're just going to chain one before you cut it off. So you can chain one, you can chain two. You just have to secure the yarn. So chain one and pull it out, then you cut it off. It's going to chain one and let me chain two just to secure my yarn. Okay, that's just like tying it and pull it. Okay, so to secure this remaining parts left, we're just going to weave it in with our hook like this. Okay, just weave it in. So you continue doing that until you're sure it is well secured, and once you cut the leftover, you're sure it won't lose. Okay, so keep doing that until you're sure it's secured, the yarn is secured. So carefully, see, that's why you have to be careful. So insert your hook like this and secure. Oh my god. Okay, so just continue doing this until you're sure it is secure. So just continue with that. You can place it anywhere. You don't have to be scared to place it anywhere. You're just trying to secure the yarn. So I'm just going to cut this off now. I think it is well secured. I'm going to cut it off. So once you're done, just get a screwdriver and unscrew the belt buckle. And once you're done with that, just place the belts on the belt buckle and screw it back together. So this is what your belt will look like once you're done scrolling it together. And then for the other part of your belt, you can add a leather if you want to, but I'll be leaving mine like this because I love it this way. So we've come to the end of our video for today, and this is what your belt will look like once you're done. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, subscribe, like and share. Thank you. I'll see you in my next video.